would like to say something when you said about the parachutes. We were without underwear the whole time, so having underwear meant something major to us because we were in rags. In the biggest winter, we had no underwear. I was a volunteer in Yad Vashem, the Holocaust Museum in Israel, in Jerusalem, for 16 years. And I was guiding students. And one day I was speaking to them, and then they went down to the auditorium to see some films. And the lady that was with them, she said, by the way, the lady that guided you and spoke to you, she is the one that was in Auschwitz. They came up and they pointed to me and they said, oh, you are the one without the underwear. You know, somebody asked me, did we laugh in Auschwitz? Yes. Because as long as there is life, we have to be happy. So I'm just telling you, that's my story. I'm a very positive person. Please go ahead.